So I ordered these leather shoes from Jovenco and I have received these today. Let's see what all we have received. So this is the dust bag, also called the shoe bag, can be used to keep the shoes. Now these are again the part of the shoe kit, shoe shiner, and this is shoe horn. Now these are the shoes. Let's see what we have received here. Okay, so so this is the branding, and here you can see this is the leather patch. Okay, so this actually shows the authenticity of the leather. So this is really high quality top grain leather. This is one of the most expensive as well as highest quality leather that can be used in accessories. Now these shoes are, you know, giving a really nice and classy feel. So these are called dark wine whole cut leather shoes. Okay, so these are made of top grain leather. Now these are called whole cut because, you know, you can see there is only single cut on the whole shoes. Okay, or you can say single stitching, that's at the heel part, near the heel part. Okay, and let's see what's inside. This is the standard stuffing. Okay, so there is cushion sole. Okay, gives you really nice comfort, and this part is called the lining part. Okay, so this again is high quality genuine leather. The rear part has the suede leather that again gives you really good comfort and feel. Looking at the sole, so this is handcrafted sole. Okay, you can see here that there are two sheets that have been combined. Okay, and this part at the heel, so this is really a nice addition to this. So this is a TPR section, and the best part about this is that, you know, if you walk, it gives you a really good grip. Okay, and also, you know, if you are walking, it makes sure that there is no noise that is coming from the shoes when you walk on any surface. All in all, I would say these shoes are really nice piece. Okay, and if you would ask for my opinion, you can definitely just go for these. Really nice piece, yeah.